Introducing new gas downdraft cooktops from KitchenAid that allow you to express yourself in the kitchen beautifully. The elegant design integrates the ventilation system into the cooking surface, making a separate hood unnecessary for a clean, sophisticated look. Whether you choose 4 or 5 burners, the performance perfectly complements the beauty. So, cook with the power of a 17,000 BTU professional burner that makes searing and rapid boiling a snap. Or a 5,000 BTU even heat burner that can achieve the low output needed for simmering even the most delicate sauces without scorching. And because they don't require a hood, these cooktops can be placed virtually anywhere in the kitchen, unlocking a myriad of design possibilities. They don't even require ventilation outside when installed with the available duct-free kit. Whether ducted or duct-free, the 3-speed fan moves up to 300 cubic feet of air per minute to handle the venting requirements of high-temperature cooking like pan searing. KitchenAid Downdraft cooktops are the perfect companions on your culinary journey, beautifully combining power and performance and delivering results that are nothing short of delicious.